Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming your Kali release and making fast backups of shell configs so you can revert. Once done, install Git and terminal tools. This lets you fetch themes and apply profiles. Make a quick choice of color scheme and monospace font now so you don't interrupt the flow later. Then open a terminal and check the current shell and terminal emulator. This determines whether you edit GNOME terminal, Tilix, or Alacrity config files next. You'll clone the theme repository and copy palette files into your config path because manual palette entry is error-prone. Next, use gsettings or dconf to set the terminal profile's palette, background, foreground, and font. That updates GNOME-based terminals instantly. For Alacrity or Kitty, open the YAML config, paste the colors and font sections, then send a reload signal or restart the terminal to apply changes. Make sure you adjust cursor and transparency settings so text remains readable. Finish by exporting the new terminal profile or saving copies of updated config files so you can reproduce the setup on another machine. Once done, test contrast, font size, and cursor visibility to ensure readability. Tweak values until comfortable. If something breaks, restore your saved backup or reset the terminal profile and reapply the theme step-by-step to identify the issue. A quick troubleshooting tip: if palettes don't change, restart the
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.